Namaste to everyone. Seasonal regimen or the Ritucharya is been told in Ayurveda. There will be a lot of changes in the environment. In the similar way, there will be a lot of changes happening in our body as well. So according to that, we have to be healthy, we have to follow certain rules which has been told in Ayurveda. So today let's know about the Hemanta Ritucharya and the Shishira Ritucharya, that is the winter season and in the late. Shishira and Pushya Masa comes under the Hemanta Ritu and the Magha and Palguna comes under the Shishira Ritu. So in this season what happens is there is an aggravation of Vata. So to elevate this Vata we have to follow certain Ahara and Vihara, certain regimen is to be followed. So let's see what all we can do. Due to the aggravation of Vata, there will be dryness of the skin and there will be pain in your joints and you will have the body ache. So to reduce this, we can do oil massage using the sesame oil or any other oil which is available. And after doing a massage for 10 minutes daily, you can have a hot water bath. You don't use the very hot water, just use a warm water or little bit hot, not very hot water. Cold, cough, throat pain and respiratory disorders are common in this season. So use hot water daily. You can prepare kashaya made from haldi, jaggery, tulsi and pepper. For this you take one cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of haldi, a small jaggery piece and you can add 4 to 5 leaves of tulsi. Bring it to boil and reduce it to half or nearly 1/4 cup. Then you can strain it and add milk if you want, or you can use it as it is. So this is helpful for your respiratory disorders and it also increases your immunity. The body strength is high compared to other seasons. The winter season, it's a season where your body is very strong. So you can do the vigorous exercises during this season. Your Jataragni is Uttama or it is strong during the season, so it digests all the food you eat. So you can have the Guru Ahara or the foods which take a longer time for digestion. So you can have oily food in the season and you can have other foods which you usually avoid in other seasons. Consume sweet, salt and sour food. So you can have new rice, wheat, barley, jaggery, sugarcane, milk, ghee, paneer, butter, urad dal and the foods prepared from urad dal like idli, dosa, etc. Potato, sweet potato, carrot, beetroot, cucumber, dates, grapes. And the food prepared from jaggery is the best during this season. Take sun bath for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily in the morning or in the evening. Morning before 8:30 and evening after. Wear silk and woolen clothes to keep your body warm. To be avoided during this season is first is the fasting. So we should never do fasting during this season. And next thing is the skin tends to be dry, so don't use the soaps. You can use aloe vera gel or you can use the gram flour or the green gram flour powder for your skin instead of soap. You can mix this with milk and just apply it on your skin, then wash it off. Avoid astringent, pungent and bitter taste food, so it's not healthy. And do not sleep during the day, or the daytime sleeping is to be avoided completely. So this is all about the Hemanta and the Shishira Ritu Charya. Hope it was helpful for you. So let's meet in the next video.